Hello! Today, we're embarking on a fascinating adventure, exploring the depths of astrology through the lens of AI, with ChatGPT as our guide. We're diving into the heart of what makes you, you, your astrology birth chart. An astrology birth chart, also known as a natal chart, is a cosmic snapshot of the sky at the exact moment you were born. It reveals the positions of the planets and other celestial bodies, providing insights into your personality, life path, challenges, and opportunities. But can an AI like ChatGPT understand the nuanced language of the stars well enough to interpret these celestial blueprints? Let's find out openchat.openai.com. And as I'm showing, tap on Explore GPT. In the search bar, enter Astrology Birth Chart. In the open window, tap on Start Chat. As we can see, we can ask Chat, what can my birth date tell about me? Chat about love, career, and horoscope for the year. Let's choose one of them. What does my birth chart say about me? Now we need to share your birth date, birth time, and location of birth. I'll type mine. It is 11th of March, 1995. Rose 6:45 a.m. Moscow, Russia. Let's wait until the chat loads the answer. We provided ChatGPT with the details of a birth chart, the date, time, and place of birth. Our goal? To see if it can give us an insightful reading that matches what an experienced astrologer might offer. We'll explore the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, and the positions of key planets. So, as we can see, it works. I also asked ChatGPT about love and career. I really suggest you to do the same. If this video is interesting, please give it a like. Thank you for watching.